Today, I'm gonna tell you about AIDOL Studio.
Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to Upzone's YouTube channel.
AIDOL Studio is a video editing platform with AI-generated human avatars, so you can produce professional, studio-grade content in a snap. A video editing platform with studio-grade digital actors that can cut your production time in half. Produce studio-grade video content using digital actors of all ages, genders, and ethnicities. Use the timeline-based video editor to easily edit your video content, no technical skills needed. AIDOL Studio lets you customize all the action from the comfort of your couch, and the video editor's timeline-based, so it's super easy to toggle back and forth. Just choose from a library of human avatars of different ages, genders, and ethnicities, then select their gestures. You can change their voice to perfectly match the tone and style of your video, or you can swap them out for another actor. You've got plenty to choose from. And get this, you can even change your digital actor's gestures using the advanced gesture selection feature. AIDOL Studio even lets you use digital actors that speak multiple languages and dialects, so you can localize content hassle-free. Jumpstart your next video by customizing one of the ready-made templates. With AIDOL Studio, you'll be able to access a stock media library to find engaging, high-quality clips for your content. You'll get access to all the tools you need to produce videos like a pro. You'll be able to edit video content regardless of your limited tech skills. Plus, you can tweak any part of your video by cutting and dragging clips on the timeline editor. You can download your video or save it to the cloud, so it's ready to access whenever you need it. Share videos on social platforms like Facebook and YouTube directly from the dashboard, or send your stakeholders a shareable link. Whether you're creating course content, product demos, or virtual presentations, AIDOL Studio helps you get the job done. Produce studio-grade video content with AI-generated digital actors in a fraction of the time. AIDOL Studio enables you to quickly and flexibly create your own digital humans, bringing them to life via video. Forget complex video procedures. Excessive production knowledge is no longer needed. Everyone could be their own director now. AIDOL Studio is packed with digital actors and user-friendly editing tools, so you can produce video content in a flash. Upgrade your video production. Using the power of AI technology, you'll be able to produce video content with digital actors that do all the work. So, click on the link below to AIDOL Studio for an incredible price. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.